Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for March. Super cute this month. I feel like they're spending a lot more time and detail on these bags. This one is all studded, and then it has a bright green on the inside. And here's the first product. It did come outside the bag, I guess because it was too hard to fit in there, but this is a cleanser, clean sweep. It says it's way more than a cleanser. And you could get a free custom formula. I'll have to check that out. I'm sure there's more information about that on the card. I like the cards now because they put all the products and details about them in there. Alright, so we have 6 items. And the next one I'm pulling out is a night cream. And it says it's a lightweight one. Kind of looks like it's in a toothpaste tube. Next up we have Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. And looking at the card, it actually does bubble. It says you massage it on until it bubbles, leave it on for 5 minutes, massage again, and then rinse. I've never tried one of these, but I've seen them and I'm very excited. That's probably going to be my favorite product in here. I can already bet. So the next one is from Tarte. This is Quench. It's a hydrating primer. I have not tried this product, but I like Tarte stuff, so happy to have that. Little sample. Then we have Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, which is perfect because mine just ran out. And this kind of has a scent to it. It's not bad or like chemically or anything. It just kind of, I could definitely smell it when I open it. And the last item, liquid eyeliner in black. Has a pretty good tip to it. And this is an awesome bag. I will definitely use all these products. Most excited for this. And I ran out of this and this, so this is awesome. I definitely think it's worth it, and I've been subscribed for years, so if you guys would like to join, I'll put my link below. Sorry, I feel like I'm rushing this video, but my battery keeps dying every 45 seconds for some unknown reason. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.